Hello, good morning. My name is Makama Bitala. I'm welcoming all of you to this very training. It's a training that is being put together by National Population Commission. As you all know, we have already done this very training like a few days ago, and you're the new demarcators that just arrived yesterday. So I want to just quickly rush and just put you through on how to use the Eadpad. It's very simple. All you need to do is to listen to me and follow me step by step, and you will be able to understand and to do this work and to operate this Eadpad in no time. Quickly, let's go to the app. Just check. You will see Eadpad. Then all you need to do is to open what demarcation exercise. Okay, as we all know, the app is being put together by National Population Commission for the purpose of the EAD one, or the demarcation exercise. Okay, so after clicking, you see a menu. The Eadpad has virtually 12 features on the menu, and for now I want our attention to be basically on, I think, the first 6 or the first 4. All right, but I will just quickly start by showing us how to first of all create what we call a profile, because that's the first step that you're supposed to do on this very particular app, is to create a profile. So on the menu, you will quickly see my profile. So kindly click on it. If you click on it, it's going to take you to another window where you can be able to see the information that you're supposed to fill. So now what are we seeing here on this screen is the marketer's location details. As we all know, we are working in FCT, that's Abuja, and central area to be precise. But let's quickly go ahead without wasting much time and fill the information so as to create our profile. And quickly, before we start filling in this information, I want you to know that just as the way how important creating a profile is, just as the way you go to the shop, you buy an exercise book that you're supposed to use in the class or maybe for a personal, purpose. First of all, you write your name, your address, maybe the reason or the purpose of why you bought the book. Okay, and this is for identification, and it is also showing ownership. Okay, and it's just like even the apps that we normally use on social media, for example Facebook or even WhatsApp. All of us, we know before you start using all those apps, you have to create, the first thing, you have to sign in or to create a profile, that will carry your name, your details, your emails, your phone numbers, etc. Okay, so it's the same thing. So let's quickly go ahead without wasting much more time. State name. As you can see, there's information already that is being filled up because I've already created my own profile, but we can quickly go over it and create our own profile too. So as you can see, if you click on state name, you see a drop down list of all the 37 or 36 states of the federation. Okay, 37 including the FCT. So now we all know that we are working in FCT, so we can quickly select FCT, which is number 14. Okay, based on how it is programmed. Okay, there's a code that is assigned already is 14. Okay, so 14 we already know is what FCT. So you quickly go to the local government. The local government, as we all know, we have I think 6 area councils in Abuja. It's not local government, but it's called area councils. All right. So where we are working is Abuja Municipal. So we can now just quickly select it. So we now go and select the ward name. So what name are we working on? Already we know we are working in Wuse. See Wuse. As you can see, the moment we select Wuse, there is a pre-assigned word code already. If you look at it beside Wuse, if you go back, if you check, you will see a pre-assigned word code that has been assigned. Okay, once you select it, it reflects. So that's where we're having this word code here. That one is not for you, it's already pre-assigned, it's programmed already. So now quickly, as we all know, we have been shared into teams, and also you are given set numbers. All right, so now let's quickly put on the details already. As you can see, you have a drop down number of teams from 1 to 15. So you now pick or select anyone that's applicable to you. So of which, for the purpose of this training, we're choosing 1. Okay, that's team 1. Then set number, you can the set number as we can see, we have 1 to 10. So you choose the one that's applicable to you, but for the purpose of this training, we are choosing 2. So the demarcator's number, that means my own number or your own number, is going to be the combination of your team number and your set number. That will be your number. Okay, and we know that each and every one of us here has a number, a team number as well as a set number. So as you can see, mine is 12. That means team 1, set 2. Okay, so quickly you will now put your demarcator's personal details. Here you're going to put your full names or your full name. Okay, as you can see, there's a name there already because I've already created a profile for my own, so the name is there. I was the one that typed it, so you can equally delete it. You can delete it and put your name. All right, okay, you can delete everything and change it. Okay, and you see my phone number is already there. You can equally delete it and add your own number. Okay, and you need to be careful to make sure the numbers are complete. Okay, so now below it you can see save details. All right, you see a note just popped up. Ensure all details entered in this field are correct. Once submitted, this will override all previous settings. So even initially you saw an information there. All right, if you select submit now, it's going to override the previous information. Okay, or if you put review, that means it's the same information probably that is going to be back there. Okay, all right, so now we're going to click submit. You see saved details. It has saved your information. So now you have successfully created a profile. That's why if you see on the window or on the menu, my name is appearing, showing hello Makama Bitala. So this is just the simple way of how to create a profile. Thank you.